Welcome to DealHub. In this video, we'll take a quick look at what is AI price optimization and how it works. What is AI price optimization? AI price optimization is the process of using machine learning and advanced algorithms to analyze massive data sets, like historical sales, competitor pricing, and market trends, to find the ideal price point for every product or service. Why does AI pricing optimization matter in the world of business? It matters because manual pricing can't keep up with modern market volatility. AI allows companies to protect their margins while staying competitive in real time. Different pricing models fit different business needs. AI-powered price optimization are of multiple types, from fixed logic to adaptive systems. Rule-based, this follows set instructions and if-then logic for simple, predictable patterns. Predictive models. This uses historical data and forecasting to target price sensitivity. Real-time algorithms. This updates prices instantly based on live market data and inventory. Reinforcement learning, a self-improving system that learns from the success or failure of past deals. Setting up AI-enabled price optimization takes a structured approach. Let's take a step-by-step guide on how to build and launch an AI pricing process for a business. Step 1. Prepare the data. Collect and clean historical sales, churn rates, and win-loss ratios. Step 2. Set guardrails. Define price floors and caps to protect your margins and brand reputation. Step 3. Train the model. Feed your data into the AI to identify which variables actually drive deal success. Step 4. Run small tests. A/B test the AI's suggestions on a specific segment before a full rollout. Step 5. Train teams. Ensure sales and RevOps understand the model and integrate it into your CPQ. Step 6. Roll out in waves. Gradually expand from small segments to your entire catalog, tuning the model as you go. Now that you know how to build the engine, let's look at where it drives the most value. AI price optimization isn't just for one department. It's a versatile tool that adapts to different industry demands. In retail and e-commerce, it manages high-volume price shifts instantly to keep up with competitors. For B2B SaaS, it helps teams structure complex deals that balance custom terms with profitability. In supply chain, it aligns pricing with fluctuating inventory levels, while finance teams use it to ensure every transaction protects the company's bottom line and long-term margin goals. AI pricing tools support the entire pricing workflow from data intake to execution. Let's take a look at what AI pricing is capable of. Competitor tracking. It helps you monitor market shifts in real time to ensure your prices stay competitive. Real-time dashboards. You can gain instant visibility into pricing performance and market trends. Scenario planning. It simulates different pricing strategies to see their impact before you launch. Margin and elasticity reports. It helps you identify how price changes will affect your volume and profitability. Automatic price pushes. It also syncs updated prices across all sales channels instantly and accurately. Smart alerts. It helps you get notified immediately when fast-moving items require a price adjustment. Having the right tools is essential, but how you manage them determines your long-term success. To truly master AI pricing, you need to follow a set of best practices that balance automation with human insight. Keep guardrails simple. Use straightforward boundaries to give the AI room to optimize without hitting errors. Review model output often. Regularly audit the AI's suggestions to ensure they remain accurate to market conditions. Include human checks for sensitive items. Maintain expert oversight for high-value accounts or strategic product lines. Align price strategy with brand goals. Ensure every automated price point reflects your company's identity and long-term vision. Share clear reporting with leadership. Use transparent data to prove the ROI of your pricing strategy to stakeholders. Integrating AI price optimization into your quote-to-revenue cycle removes the friction between strategy and execution. By embedding real-time pricing intelligence directly into your CPQ, you empower sales reps to generate optimized, profitable quotes instantly. This alignment ensures that every deal moves through the pipeline faster, with guaranteed margin protection and a better experience for the customer. Ultimately, AI price optimization is about more than just numbers. It's about closing better deals faster while protecting the health of your business. Thanks for watching. To learn more, check out the full guide on AI for price optimization on DealHub.io.